Theoretical versus conceptual framework, which one do you need? Ever struggled with theoretical and conceptual frameworks in research? Don't worry, today, we'll break them down in detail so you can easily apply them to your research paper. Let's dive in. A research framework gives your study a strong foundation. It helps explain why your research problem exists and how your study is structured. There are two types of frameworks in research: theoretical framework, based on existing theories, and conceptual framework, focuses on specific variables and ideas in your study. The theoretical framework is like the big picture of your research. It is based on existing theories and provides a lens to analyze your topic. It explains why your research problem exists using established knowledge. It's best for explanatory research and when testing or building upon theories. For example, if you're studying social media's impact on self-esteem, you might use Bandura's social learning theory to explain how online interactions influence behavior. Now, the conceptual framework is more specific. It's about how theories apply to your study and how variables connect. Think of it as the blueprint of your research. The purpose of a conceptual framework is to visualize connections between variables and research concepts. It's best used for exploratory research when no established theories exist. For example, if you're researching student motivation in online learning, your conceptual framework might include variables like learning environment, engagement levels, and academic performance. So, what's the difference? Let's compare them side by side. Theoretical framework is based on existing theories, provides a broad explanation, and is used when testing established knowledge. On the other hand, a conceptual framework focuses on your study's specific variables, shows connections between ideas, and is used when exploring new phenomena. Think of it like this. Theoretical framework is what we already know, while conceptual framework is how my study fits into it. Not sure which one to use? Ask yourself these questions. Am I testing an existing theory? If yes, use a theoretical framework. Am I exploring new ideas and connections? Then go for a conceptual framework. Here's a pro tip. Some studies use both. For example, you can start with a theoretical framework to explain a concept, then develop a conceptual framework to explore how it applies to your research. Let's recap. Theoretical framework explains your research using existing theories. Conceptual framework structures your research by connecting variables. Choose theoretical when testing a theory, and conceptual when exploring new ideas. Some studies combine both for deeper analysis. Now you're ready to apply the perfect framework to your research. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more research tips.